Betis trains in Manchester United, Old Trafford for the game against Manchester United, the Europa League. Of course, Betis lies here and they are ready to encounter Manchester United. And the head coach said he knows what the quality of Manchester United, and they have studied them, and he knows how to encounter them, as they have been thinking about the way to restrict them from having the negative impacts on their side. And recently, Manchester United has their great and top performance despite of their loss unfeigned against Liverpool Football Club. But in one way or another, Manchester United this season has shown the quality and the incredible performance. And of course, the Real Betis coach, Real Betis manager knows and understands how to defeat